Alright, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy T. I'm back again today with another Soul Supremacy beater box as always, man. Today I got a $415 Soul Supremacy mystery box. If you guys are unfamiliar with Soul Supremacy, you guys can follow them on Twitter. One of the best in the business, especially when it comes to doing these mystery boxes. For the people that's new to the channel, this is nothing more, nothing less. Like I said, just a mystery box. We get them every Sunday. They ship them to us. We don't know what's in them. What's inside is determined by how much you pay for it. If I pay a lot, I get higher quality shoes. Pay a little, get beaters. But for the most part, each box is supposed to have profit. You know, they come to us in random sizes, random conditions for us to buy them, flip them, sell them, trade them, all that good stuff. So yeah, it's just for the new people. I appreciate all you guys coming back watching these videos. That being said, man, we're just gonna jump right in. This one, like I said, was 415 bucks. And a lot of you guys be asking me, do the low end boxes make money? So we're gonna see. We're gonna see today if the low end box brings some profit, if I can get the box open. Alright, we in there. First off, no shoes without boxes. That is a great sign. I hate getting shoes without boxes, it's just harder to sell. We're gonna start off with an NMD. We got a size 10 NMD R1. 415 bucks. I'm not expecting too much, and as you can see here, these shoes are pretty worn. Size 10 NMDs. We'll need a good deep cleaning on these. Pretty dirty. I don't know how well they'll clean up. Size 10 NMD R1. Get this KD out the way. Size 10.5 on these KDs. Hopefully you guys can see the tag. I do not know the nickname of these. I do remember when they dropped. They look like these are in really good shape. Really clean. Look like they've hardly been worn. Bottom still pretty clean. Overall, not bad. Size 10.5 on those. Got some old Jordan boxes in here. We got a size 5. So we got some kid sizes. Back to school, about to start. We got some Jordan 10 size 5. They are not dead stock, but they are super close. I don't even know if the camera is gonna pick up the dirt on the bottom. Super close, not dead stock, but size 5Y. Like they've been worn maybe one time. That's an old Jordan box too. We got another old Jordan box. Retro 2, size 10.5. Size 10.5 on the Retro 2s. Alright, okay, these pretty nice right here. OG colorway Retro 2. Size 10.5. Got a few stains on them. Hopefully I can get those cleaned up. A little dirt there on the back. But overall, not too bad. Not a lot of creasing in the toes. Yeah, but I just need to clean them up a little bit. Size 10.5. I got a lot of people that wear size 10.5, so hopefully they'll move quick. We got a Jordan 3, size 7.5 with the box. We got some Stealth 3s. Got to check that midsole, make sure there's no cracking in there, and we good. No cracking on the midsole on the Stealth 3s. Just a bad size, I guess. Size 7.5. These are really clean. Really clean. This is actually a pretty dope colorway. Pretty dope colorway. not too bad, not looking too bad for a 415 box. I mean, I wasn't expecting nothing crazy anyway. We still got 3 pair in here. So we got a full box, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 8 pair total, so it's not too bad. Kobe 9 mid EXT quick strike. These are another 10.5. Snake skin, some kind of snake skin shoe, Kobe. I'm real unfamiliar with these. Black snake skin with a gum bottom. They look like they've been lightly worn. Like they got a lot of life left in them. Size 10.5 on those. I don't know much about them. They came in that good premium box, the Nike box. I thought it was gonna be a foam posit or something at first. I wish it was a foam posit or something. Alright, we got 2 Jordan boxes. I got a 10.5 Jordan 10. Alright, we got some cool grays. Cool gray 10s. With the receipt. I see the receipt in the box. Really good condition. Look like these been lightly worn also. Check out the bottom. I'm trying to get you guys some good angles of these shoes. But if you DM me or something on Instagram or Twitter and eBay, I can send you more pictures of each shoe that you want to see. Anything that's marked sold, all the prices and everything should be down in the description. Anything that's marked sold is already gone. Everything that I'm gonna try to keep it updated as best as possible. I haven't been posting too many shoes on eBay just because I've been moving them so fast. I haven't even needed eBay really. But we got a size 10.5 Jordan Retro 7. So we got some 7s. Ooh, okay. Yeah, this was a pretty good box. We got some dead stock hair 7s. Size 10.5. I need to pull out the other one. They dead stock. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out anyway. Dead stock hair 7s. These are really nice. Size 10.5. Really nice. I just sold some of these. They weren't dead stock, but I just sold some of these. Dead stock pair of hair 7s. So was it a good box, man? Y'all let me know down below. A lot of people's asking me, can do the low end boxes make money? I mean, we always opening up $1,000 boxes and $600, $700, $800 boxes, but can the $300 and $400 boxes make money? Y'all let me know down below what y'all think. I think it did pretty good, man. It's a box full of shoes, and I mean all the shoes came with boxes or whatever. So I'm pretty happy with it. I mean, 415 bucks. The hairs alone are worth 200, so that's a pretty good box to me, man. Again, appreciate you guys watching these videos. Hit me up on Twitter, Instagram, eBay. Follow me everywhere at TGOTSOLE. Don't post a lot of shoes for sale on Instagram or nothing like that, but you guys can watch the video and then DM me, shoot me a shot straight through there, and we can figure something out. Again, all the prices for all this stuff will be down in the description. I will try my best to keep it all updated as they sell. If it's still on there, it's available. If it's marked sold, it's gone. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because these boxes will continue to keep coming in. Every week we trying to grab them. Just this week we had a low end box, but like I said, it did pretty good. It looks pretty good to me, so I'm not mad at all. But yeah, that's about it, man. Let me know down below what y'all think. Did I get a good box? Was it just alright, or should I just left it alone? Y'all let me know. I'm out. Peace.